Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use featured posts on LinkedIn. So don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So let's go and open our browser, and then we go to user, search for Google, and here go to LinkedIn. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. And now open this website, linkedin.com. And once you open LinkedIn, just wait a few seconds. And then here on the top of the page, click on me and choose view profile. And then here just scroll down to add a profile section, click on it, and here choose recommended, and then go here for add featured and click on it. And here you can create a featured content or posts, so you need to click on the plus button, and here we can add a post, newsletter, article, link, or even a media. So let's go, for example, to add a post. We're going to click on here, and then LinkedIn automatically will get you all the posts that you have. And let's pick up any one of these. For example, let's go for this one, and then click on feature, and it's been added successfully. As you can see, your item has been featured on your profile. So let's go back and choose another type of content. Let's pick up, for example, add a link. In here, you can add a link for a file or video. And once you do so, we're going to click on add, and then you'll be able to put more information such as a thumbnail or even more details like title and description. And that's how you can use featured content on LinkedIn. So please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.